This tutorial will cover how to apply for a city business license using ConnectLCF portal. It is important to note what you see here may look slightly different when you go ahead and apply, as it's specific to applications. To do this, you first need to have a ConnectLCF login. If you do not have it, please look at the tutorial video on how to log in and register for ConnectLCF. Once you're logged into ConnectLCF, you want to go ahead and click on the Apply button on the home page, where you can navigate to the Business License tab. Here, all the business licenses that are available for you to apply will be listed. In addition to this, you can always use this search bar in the top to look for a specific business license that you may be interested in. So for this demonstration, I will just go ahead and select the contractor based in La Cañada Flint Ridge. To apply, I'm going to go ahead and click on apply. Here, if this is the first time you're doing this on the system, you will not see any pre-existing businesses associated with your account. To create a new business, you're going to use the create new business icon. First, you would need to select the type of business it is, then go ahead and click plus. Once you do, the next time you apply for a business license, your business that you just create will show up like this, and you can actually select it for a speedy process, so you don't have to create the business over again. But for this demonstration, we're going to go ahead and pretend we don't have a business and create it from scratch. It is a corporation. I'm going to go ahead and click the plus sign so that the application comes up. I'm going to provide my business location. You can search within the city's database. If it's within City of La Cañada Flint Ridge, the address is searchable. All you would need to do is put the address number and the street name, nothing more. Do not include street, boulevard, or anything else. If it is based outside of La Cañada Flint Ridge, but of course for this demonstration it shouldn't be because it's based in La Cañada, but if it was outside, you can use the manual to actually put in manual information. But because it is within the city, we're going to go ahead and pretend it's one of the addresses within the city. As you can see, I just put in the address number and anything associated with it. So we're going to go ahead and pretend it's this address right here. And we're going to select add. Now I can proceed with the next step of the business. I'm going to go ahead and provide the business name, provide the business description, if there's any DBA associated with it, the location, if it's at a commercial or residential. These are tax related information you can provide. It is important to note anything that has an asterisk is required. Anything that does not is optional for you to provide. Here, I'm going to proceed with the next step, which is actually applying for the license itself. The description, I suspect, will be very similar to the business description, but this description is tied to the license itself. So we're going to go ahead and provide the same description as the business. Go ahead and press next. The system automatically will add you as the person. We do require an owner. The default will be an owner. So for this particular case, because I'm the user, I'm defaulted to the owner. There's nothing more I need to do. But if there were other types of contact you wanted to include in your license, such as an applicant, an emergency contact, or a manager, you can go ahead and do that by selecting this add function. It is important to note any individual to be listed here must have a ConnectLCF account. I'm going to go ahead and proceed with next. Here, we have to provide necessary information that the city needs in order to process your application. Once again, this will look different when you apply, but the concept is the same. Follow the instructions and provide the information needed. Anything in red is a required field. Anything in black or does not have an asterisk is not a required field. So go ahead and provide the information you need. The next step is uploading documents. Most business licenses do not require any, and it will say so in the instructions. Go ahead and click next. It will allow you one last time to review the application, give you an estimated fee cost. This is an estimate, and you can go ahead and submit the application. Once the application is submitted, you will be auto-generated an invoice, which you can pay to expedite the process of the license itself. The city will not review or process your license until the invoice has been paid. To do this, go down from the success page, click on Add to Cart, and you can go ahead and proceed with paying the balance of that invoice through checkout. That is it. Once you do, the city will review your application, and once a license has been issued, you will be notified of the said license through email, but plus you can always check that information by logging into your ConnectLCF portal, where you can see the status of a particular license that you want.